Hi everyone, I welcome you all for the SRTP video lecture series on concrete mix proportion as per Indian standard IS 10262-2019 part 3 illustrative example on mix proportion of concrete using fly ash as replacement for cement. Presentation by Dr. Leon Raj, scientist, CSIR, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Jorhat, Assam. As mentioned in the part 1 introduction, this lecture series consists of 5 parts, namely introduction for mixed design, illustrative examples on mixed proportioning of ordinary or standard grades of concrete, fly ash concrete, ground granulated blast furnace slag concrete and high strength concrete. The current lecture is part 3 fly ash concrete. Mixed design example. The data required for mixed design is given in this slide. A detailed explanation about data required for mixed design is given in the lecture series part 1 introduction. Grade designation M40, type of cement OPC, ordinary Portland cement, 43 grade conforming to IS 269, maximum nominal size of aggregate 20 mm, minimum cement content and maximum water cement ratio to be adopted. Severe condition for reinforced concrete exposure conditions are as per table 3 and table 5 of IS 456 2000. Workability 120 mm. Method of concrete placing pumping. Degree of site control good. Type of aggregate crushed angular aggregate. Maximum cement content 450 kg per meter cube excluding fly ash. Chemical admixture type superplasticizer normal. Test data of material cement used is OPC conforming to IS 269. Specific gravity of cement is 3.15. Fly ash is 2.2 conforming IS 3812 part 1. Chemical admixture superplasticizer conforming to IS 9103. Specific gravity of coarse aggregate at saturated surface dry condition that is SSD is 2.74. Fine aggregate at saturated surface dry condition specific gravity is 2.65. Chemical admixture specific gravity is 1.145. Water absorption of coarse aggregate is 0.5% and fine aggregate is 1%. Coarse and fine aggregates are wet and their moisture content is 2% and 5% respectively. Therefore, the free moisture content in coarse and fine aggregates shall be as shown in below. Coarse aggregate free moisture content is equal to total moisture content minus water absorption, that is equal to 2 minus 0.5, that is equal to 1.5%. Fine aggregate free moisture content is equal to total moisture content minus water absorption, that is equal to 5 minus 1 4 equal to 4%. See analysis of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate are given in the next slide. Here, two types of aggregates, namely 20-10 mm and 10-4.75 mm, are used in a proportion of 60 and 40%. As per gradation table, 100% of 20 mm aggregates pass through 20 mm sieve and completely retained in 10 mm sieve. Hence, it is named as 20-10 mm aggregates. Then for 10-4.75 mm aggregates, 100% pass through 20 mm sieve, 71.20% pass through 10 mm sieve, 9.40% pass through 4.75 mm sieve, and all the particles are completely retained by 2.36 mm sieve. In other words, the particle sizes of 71.20 minus 9.40, that is equal to 61.8% of total weight of coarse aggregate are in between 10 and 4.75 mm sieve. Particle sizes of weight 29%, that is 100 minus 7.4%, are in between 20 and 10 mm sieve. 9.4% aggregates are less than that of 4.75 mm sieve. Fine aggregates belongs to zone 2 of Table 9 of IS 383. Batching of standard grades of concrete. Volume of concrete is equal to volume of cement plus volume of fly ash plus volume of fine aggregate plus volume of coarse aggregate plus volume of water plus volume of admixture. Mass of concrete is equal to mass of cement plus mass of fly ash plus mass of fine aggregate plus mass of coarse aggregate plus mass of water plus mass of admixture. Volume of material is equal to mass of the material divided by specific gravity into 1000. Here volume of material in meter cube, mass of material in kilograms, specific gravity dimensionless, density of water that is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Materials may be any of the following, that is cement, fly ash, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water and chemical admixture. Batching for standard grades of concrete with fly ash as partial replacement for cement. Formula for finding volumes of different ingredients of fly ash concrete are given here. Volume of cement is equal to mass of cement divided by specific gravity of cement into 1000. Mass of cement in kilogram, specific gravity of cement in is dimensionless, density of water in kilogram per meter cube, that is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Volume of fly ash is equal to mass of fly ash divided by specific gravity of fly ash into 1000. Volume of coarse aggregate is equal to mass of coarse aggregate divided by specific gravity of coarse aggregate into 1000. Volume of fine aggregate is equal to mass of fine aggregate divided by specific gravity of fine aggregate into 1000. Volume of water is equal to mass of water divided by specific gravity of water into 1000. Volume of admixture is equal to mass of admixture divided by specific gravity of admixture into 1000. Volume of concrete is equal to 1 meter cube. Here sum of volume of cement plus volume of fly ash is equal to volume of cementitious materials. Volume of fine aggregate plus volume of coarse aggregate is equal to volume of total aggregate. Sequence of mix design for standard grades of concrete are listed here. First step, find target mean compressive strength using characteristic strength or grade of concrete and assume standard deviation. Second step, find volume of water from adjusted water content for slump and admixture dosage. Third step, find volume of cementitious materials using compressive strength versus water cement ratio graph as given in IS 10262-2019. Fourth step, select the trial admixture dosage and find the volume of admixture. Then find volume of concrete excluding entrapped air in it. Fifth step, find the volume of fine and coarse aggregate using coarse aggregate by total aggregate proportion, table given in IS 10262-2019. Last step is to adjust the water, fine and coarse aggregate for dry and wet condition of fine and coarse aggregate, as the mixed proportions are arrived at saturated surface dry condition of fine and coarse aggregates. Step 1, calculation of a target mean strength. Concrete mix has to be proportion for higher target mean compressive strength. Target mean compressive strength F dash of Ck is equal to characteristic compressive strength FCK plus 1.65 into assumed standard deviation. Here F dash of Ck is equal to grade of concrete M40, that is 40 plus 1.65 into assumed standard deviation 5 MPa for good site condition. Then the target mean compressive strength is 48 MPa for good site condition and 50 MPa for fair site condition. Please watch lecture series part 1 introduction for details like what is characteristic compressive strength and how this target mean strength formula is derived. Then in this slide find step 2, find volume of water. Here first select chemical admixture dosage within a range of 0.5 and 1.5%. Then select admixture dosage, that is 1% of cement content. Second, select water content for a given maximum size of aggregate of 20 mm. Then third point is adjustment of water content for slump value as per code for the desired workability other than 50 mm slump. The required water content may be increased by about 3% for each increase or decrease of 25 mm slump. Here the water content for 50 mm slump and 20 mm maximum nominal size aggregate is 186 kg per meter cube. Next, the water content for slump with 20 mm maximum nominal size aggregate is 186 into 186 into 1.03 is equal to 192 kg per meter cube. For 120 mm slump, the water content shall be 201.62 kg per meter cube. Fourth step is to adjust water content for admixture dosage. The known limiting values of superplastasis are 0.5 and 1.5%, and the known limiting values of water reduction are 15 and 30%. The water reduction values corresponding to superplastasis dosage values in between 0.5 and 1.5% shall be interpolated. With an illustrative example, interpolation is explained in lecture series part 1 introduction. The interpolated values for water reduction corresponding to admixture dosage of 1% is 23%. Hence, the water content of 201.62 kg per meter cube is adjusted to 201 into 201.62 into 0.77, that is equal to 155 kg per meter cube. Volume of water equal to mass of water in kilogram divided by specific gravity of water into density of water. Specific gravity of water is equal to 1, density of water equal to 1000 kg per meter cube, mass of water is equal to 155 kg. So volume of water is equal to 0.155 meter cube. Step 3, find the volume of cement or cementitious material. First, selection of water cement or water by cementitious ratio. The variations of water cement ratio and 28-day compressive strength of concrete for different grades and types of cement are given in this figure. This is figure 1 of IS 10262-2019. For the given M40 grade of concrete, the target strength calculated was 48 MPa. This is the red line. Here the corresponding water cement ratio for 48 MPa is 0.36. So that's what mentioned here. Water by cementitious materials ratio is 0.36. Hence the cement content calculation can be done by following way. By knowing the water content of 155 kg per meter cube and the water cement ratio of 0.36, the cement content calculated was 431 kg per meter cube, which is lesser than maximum cement content as per IS 456-2000. In certain situations, increase in cementitious material content may be warranted. The decision on increase in cementitious material content and its percentage may be based on experience and trials. Third, find volume of cementitious materials. Cementitious material content increased by 10%, that is equal to 431 into 1.10, that is equal to 474 kg per meter cube. fly ash at 30% of cementitious material content, that is equal to 474 into 0.30 is equal to 142 kilogram per meter cube. Cement content is equal to 474 minus 142. This is fly ash. So you get cement content as 332, which is greater than 320 kilogram per meter cube as per table 5 of IS 456. Minimum cementitious content, water by cementitious material ratio is equal to 155 divided by 474 kilogram per meter cube, that is equal to 0.327. Then volume of cement equal to mass of cement divided by specific gravity of cement into density of water in kilogram per meter cube. So 332 divided by 3.15 into 1000. Volume of cement is 0.105 meter cube. Similar, using a similar formula you can calculate volume of fly ash also. Then find volume of admixture and concrete. Volume of admixture is equal to mass of admixture divided by specific gravity of admixture into density of water. Here mass of admixture is equal to 1% of cement content, that is equal to 474 into 0.01, that is equal to 4.74 kg. Volume of admixture is equal to 474 into 0.01 divided by specific gravity of admixture 1.145 into density of water 1000 kg per meter cube, that is equal to 0.04 meter cube. Then volume of concrete. The approximate air content per meter cube of concrete for 20 mm maximum nominal size of aggregate is 1%. The volume of concrete with entrapped air is 1 meter cube. And the volume of concrete excluding the volume of air is 1 into 0.09, that is equal to 0.99 meter cube. And the volume of air is 1 into 0.01, that is equal to 0.01 meter cube. Refer lecture series part 1 introduction for more details. Step 5, find volume of aggregates. First calculate the coarse aggregate by total aggregate and fine aggregate by total aggregate to find the volume of aggregates. Mixed design data, fine aggregate zone 2, calculated data, water by cementitious materials ratio is equal to 0.327. This table, table 5, shows the volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate, that is Ca by Ta for different zones of fine aggregate like zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 and zone 4 for water cement ratio of 0.50. The Ca by Ta values given in this table is for water cement ratio or water cementitious materials ratio of 0.50. Therefore, Ca by Ta ratios of other water cement ratios needs to be interpolated as per guidance of IS 10262-2019 code. Fine aggregate classified in zone 2 with the maximum nominal size of aggregate is shown here. For water cement ratio of 0.50, the Ca by Ta value is 0.62. That is 62% of total aggregate is coarse aggregate and the remaining 38% of total aggregate is fine aggregate. In the next slide, we will be seeing how to interpolate Ca by Ta values for other water cement or water by cementitious material ratios. As per IS 10262-2019 section 5.5, the value of Ca by Ta increased at the rate of 0.01 for every decrease of water by cement or water by cementitious materials ratio by 0.05 and vice versa. For water cement ratio of 0.50, the Ca by Ta value for zone 2 fine aggregate is 0.62. Then when water by cement ratio decreased to 0.45, the Ca by Ta increased to 0.63. Likewise, the Ca by Ta value for water cement ratio of 0.327 is 0.6546, that is 65.46 percentage of total aggregate is coarse aggregate and 34.54 percentage of total aggregate is fine aggregate. Step 5, find volume of aggregates, volume of cement, volume of fly ash, volume of water, volume of chemical admixture uh, are given here. 332 divided by 3.15 into 1000, 142 divided by 2.2 specific gravity of fly ash into 1000, 155 divided by 1 into 1000, 1 is specific gravity of water, 474 into 0.01 divided by 1.145 into 1000, that is the volume of chemical admixture. You get values like this. Here the total volume of concrete is equal to 0.99 meter cube. Uh, volume of total aggregate is equal to volume of concrete minus sum of volume of cement plus fly ash plus volume of water plus chemical admixture. So you get 0.6615 meter cube. Then the horse aggregate by total aggregate ratio is 0.59. Fine aggregate by total aggregate is 0.41. So slightly it is modified, and why and for what reason it is modified will be explained in the next slide. Proportioning of volume of coarse aggregate by fine aggregate. So this we have seen in the previous slide, how this we arrived this 65.46. Once we get this value for pumpable concrete, the Ca by Ta value reduced by 10%. Therefore, Ca by Ta is equal to 0.6546 into 0.90, that is equal to 0.59. Fa by Ta, that is fine aggregate by total aggregate ratio, is equal to 0.41. Once you add Ca plus Fa, that is 0.59 plus 0.41 is equal to 1.0. Volume of fine and coarse aggregates. Here the mass of fine aggregate is equal to volume of total aggregate into specific gravity of specific gravity of fine aggregate into 1000 into fine aggregate proportion. So you get 719 kilogram per meter cube. Volume of fine aggregate is equal to 719 kilogram per meter cube, that is mass divided by specific gravity 2.65 into 1000, you get 0.27 meter cube. Mass of coarse aggregate is equal to volume of total aggregate into specific gravity into 1000 into coarse aggregate proportion, which is equal to 1069 kilogram per meter cube. Volume of coarse aggregate is equal to mass of coarse aggregate divided by specific gravity of coarse aggregate into density of water 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So 1069 divided by 2.74 into 1000, you get 0.39 meter cube. Finally, mixed proportion is arrived. Cement 332 kilogram 332 kilogram per meter cube, fly ash 142 kilogram per meter cube, water 155 kilogram per meter cube, coarse aggregate 1069 kilogram per meter cube, fine aggregate 719 kilogram per meter cube, chemical admixture 4.74 kilogram per meter cube. Cement occupies 14 percentage of mass of concrete, fly ash occupies 6 percentage of mass of concrete, water occupies 6 percentage of mass of concrete, coarse aggregate 44 percentage of mass of concrete, fine aggregate 30 percentage of mass of concrete, chemical admixture occupies negligible space. Volume check. Volume of cement plus fly ash plus fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate plus water plus admixture is equal to volume of concrete excluding entrapped air, that is 0.99 meter cube. If you add all these things, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Mass check. Mass of cementitious materials plus fly ash plus fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate plus water plus admixture, which is approximately 2400 kilogram. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence okay. Mass of wet fine aggregate and mass of wet coarse aggregate. Here we have arrived the mixed proportion for saturated surface dry condition. So mass formula for finding mass of wet fine aggregate is equal to mass of saturated surface dry condition fine aggregate into 1 plus free moisture divided by 100, that is equal to 719 into 1 divided 1 plus 4 divided by 100, that is equal to 748 kilogram per meter cube. Mass of wet coarse aggregate is equal to mass of saturated surface dry condition coarse aggregate into 1 plus free moisture divided by 100, that is 1069 into 1 plus 1.5 divided by 100, that is equal to 1085 kilogram per meter cube. The coarse and fine aggregates being wet contribute water to the mix to the extent of free moisture over saturated surface dry condition. The quantity of this water is required to be subtracted from the calculated water content. So how do we subtract, which is explained in the next slide. Adjustment of water content. Water content contributed by wet coarse aggregate is equal to mass of wet coarse aggregate minus saturated surface dry condition of coarse aggregate, that is 1085 divided minus 1069 is equal to 16 kilogram per meter cube. Water content contributed by wet fine aggregate, that is equal to mass of wet fine aggregate minus mass of saturated surface dry condition fine aggregate is equal to 748 minus 719, that is equal to 29 kilogram per meter cube. So these two values needs to be subtracted from the water content. Here the water content is 150 kilogram per meter cube minus 16 minus 29, that is equal to 110 kilogram per meter cube. Now the adjusted mix design is shown in this slide. Cement 332 kg per meter cube, fly ash 142 kg per meter cube, water 110 kg per meter cube, coarse aggregate 1085 kg per meter cube, fine aggregate 748 kg per meter cube, chemical admixture 4.74 kg per meter cube. Cement occupies 14% of mass of concrete. Fly ash occupies 5.9% of mass of concrete. Water 4.54% of mass of concrete. So you can see the water reduced from 6% to 4%. Then coarse aggregate 45% of mass of concrete. Fine aggregate 31% of mass of concrete. And chemical admixture is negligible 0.19% of mass of concrete. Comparison of normal and fly ash concrete. Normal concrete is equal to 17% of the cement content for normal concrete is 17% of mass of concrete. Fly ash cement content is equal to 13.7% of mass of concrete. By comparing the constituents of concrete for normal and fly ash concrete, the cement required for fly ash concrete is only 14%, whereas normal concrete, the required cement content is 17% of concrete weight for M40 grade of concrete. Then comparison of normal and fly ash concrete. Size of slab is equal to 15 meter by 15 meter into 0.15 meter. Volume of concrete slab is equal to 15 into 15 into 0.15, that is equal to 33.75 meter cube. Cement bags required for normal concrete is equal to 33.75. Volume of concrete slab 33.75 into cement content 412 kg per meter cube divided by 50 kg, means one bag is equal to 50 kg. So you are getting 279 bags for cement content of 412 kg per meter cube. Cement bags required for fly ash concrete is equal to 33.75, that is volume of concrete slab 332 kg per meter cube, that is cement content 50 kg. it is 50 kg is equal to 1 bag, so you are getting 225 bags. Saved economy is equal to 279 minus 225 into rupees 400, you are saving rupees 21,600 rupees for 33.75 meter cube of concrete. Then saved economy in cement per meter cube of concrete is rupees 640. At the same time, you have to, in the economy part calculation, you have to consider the fly ash requirement also. Fly ash required for 33.75 meter cube of concrete is 4793 kg. Volume of fly ash equal to 4793 divided by specific gravity 2.2 into density of water 1000 kg per meter cube is equal to 2.17 meter cube. Note 1 meter cube is equal to 35.31 feet cube. Volume of fly ash is equal to 76.6 feet cube. Approximate cost of fly ash is equal to rupees 1300 per ton. Cost of fly ash for 33.75 meter cube of concrete is equal to rupees 6230. Net saved economy is equal to rupees 21,600 minus rupees 6,230 is equal to rupees 15,369 rupees. Saved economy per meter cube of concrete is equal to rupees 460. So approximately 500 rupees per meter cube of concrete you are saving. So these are all the economic analysis of fly ash concrete. Next lecture will be illustrative example on mixed proportion of concrete using GGBS as partial replacement for cement. Then part 5 mixed proportion for high strength concrete. References IS 10262 2019, IS 456 2000, photos Google, acknowledgement CSIR online summer research training program, SRTP, CSIR NEAST, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Jorhat, Assam. Thank you.